Here is a saucer, and here is a
cup,
Good, you said that beautifully. Well done. He's eating an
apple,
Good. The apple is nearly gone. Help me say it. The apple is nearly
gone,
Good girl. This is a
cucumber,
And what's cutting the cucumber? It's a
knife,
Good. And is the blade going to be sharp or blunt?
sharp,
Good girl. Say that one more time.
sharp,
Good. One more time.
sharp,
Good girl. This is a
feather,
It kind of looks like a feather. This is actually an animal that swims in the ocean.
sis,
It is. Say it nice and loud.
sis,
Good girl. He's giving the baby a
kiss,
Good. This is a
foot,
Yep, and what goes on the foot? A
socks,
Good. This is a
bin,
And the bin, this bin is made out of
plastic,
Could be. This one's glass. What is it?
glass,
Tell me again.
glass,
You said that beautifully. Say it one more time.
glass,
Good girl. And this is a
foot,
Good. This clown has a red
nose,
Good. And he has a purple
mouth,
Good. When she's tired, she does a great big
steps, and door,
What is it? Good girl. Say it one more time nice and loud.
door,
Good girl. This is not a flower, it's a
leaves,
Good girl. Say it one more time.
leaves,
Good girl. This is your
front,
Good. This is somebody's
foot,
and this is their little
toes,
Good girl. This is a
snack,
Is this a car or a van? It's a
fan,
Good. Say it one more time.
fan,
Good girl. This car doesn't go slowly. It goes very
fast,
Good girl. This is not a boy, it's a
girl,
She will climb the
steps,
Good. This train's not little, it's
big,
Good. Here is a jar of
there,
Good. Say it one more time.
there,
Good girl. Here is a
house,
You walk on the
pipe,
You knock on the
door,
And what's coming out of the chimney?
steam,
Yeah, it could be steam. This one's actually smoke. What is it?
smoke,
Good girl. This bus goes over the
beats,
This is not a bus, it's a
time,
Say that one more time.
time,
You sit on a
tear,
Say it nice and loud.
tear,
Good. This colour is
red,
Say it again.
red,
Good girl. Here is a knife, a fork and a
spoon,
Good girl. What can a plane do? It can
fly,
up in the
sky,
Good. What's this?
a plane,
Good girl. Here is the
sun,
Here's the plane's wing and here's its other
ring,
Good. When you dive in, you make a great big
space, space,
When you go camping, you sleep in a
tent,
Good girl. Some people like to have pepper and
salt,
Good girl. This is a
cab,
Can you say that again?
cab,
This jam won't taste sour, it will be
seat,
Good girl. Say that again.
seat,